Latvia's government confirmed a major expansion of its armored vehicle fleet by approving the purchase of 42 additional ASCOD 2 infantry fighting vehicles from General Dynamics European Land Systems, DEL's, Santa Barbara Sistemas. This decision doubles Latvia's ASCOD fleet to 84 units, at an estimated cost of €387 million. The initial batch of 42 vehicles, contracted earlier this year in January, is slated for delivery beginning in 2026, with the newly ordered vehicles expected to arrive starting 2027. Notably, about 30% of these vehicles will be produced locally within Latvia. The ASCOD 2 platform, developed through Austrian-Spanish collaboration, is a cutting-edge tracked infantry fighting vehicle designed to provide superior mobility, modularity, and protection across diverse combat environments. It supports a crew of 3 plus up to 8 infantry passengers, and weighs up to 35 tons fully equipped. Power comes from a robust MTU-8 V199 TE20 diesel engine delivering 720 horsepower, paired with an automatic transmission that enables speeds of around 70 km per hour and operational ranges exceeding 500 km. Armor protection conforms to NATO's STANAG 4569 Level 4, shielding occupants from 14.5 mm armor-piercing rounds, artillery shell fragments, and improvised explosive devices. The vehicle's modular armor design also allows for future enhancements, including the installation of active protection systems. Armament configurations include a remotely operated or manned turret equipped with a fully stabilized 30 mm or 35 mm automatic cannon accompanied by a coaxial 7.62 mm machine gun. Additional weaponry options feature anti-tank guided missiles such as the Spike LR or Javelin, expanding the vehicle's ability to neutralize armored threats and fortified targets. Inside, the ASCOD 2 is equipped with advanced digital command and control systems, integrating thermal sights, laser rangefinders, GPS navigation, and battlefield management technology that supports interoperability with allied forces. A critical element of Latvia's acquisition strategy is the involvement of Patria's Defense Partnership Latvia facility in Valmiera, which has commenced local assembly of the ASCOD IFVs in partnership with DEL's Santa Barbara Sistemas. This move not only ensures timely delivery but significantly strengthens Latvia's defense industrial base, aiming to enhance national sovereignty and long-term military sustainability. The first domestically assembled vehicles are expected to roll out by June 2026. This procurement represents a key upgrade for Latvia's land forces amid a tense regional security environment, with the country positioned on NATO's northeastern frontier bordering Russia and Belarus. Rising geopolitical tensions and ongoing conflicts in Eastern Europe have accelerated Latvia's push to modernize its military capabilities. The ASCOD 2 will equip a second mechanized infantry battalion, providing enhanced firepower, mobility, and protection suited for the country's challenging terrain, including forests, wetlands, and rugged border areas. By integrating these advanced IFVs, Latvia strengthens both its tactical readiness and its strategic ties with leading European defense manufacturers. The combination of enhanced operational capacity and a growing domestic defense industry marks a decisive step toward greater military independence and regional security resilience. This development underscores Latvia's firm commitment to NATO's collective defense framework and contributes to deterring aggression while maintaining stability in a critical security zone.